Meet Pichon, a fuel-saving designer's asset box. A world of graphics at your fingertips to streamline your workflow. Let's say you're working on a design project in Figma and you need icons. Here's how Pichon makes it effortless. Enter what you're looking for. Choose an icon, set the desired format and size. Drag and drop the icon right into your layout. Click Search in this style and enter the next search query. Creating an app and need eye-catching illustrations? Pichon makes it a breeze. Find an illustration that suits your project. Select your preferred resolution and format. Drag it into your working app. Switch to the selected style and pick up other illustrations. Working on a presentation that's just missing some photos? Look no further. Pichon has plenty of them. Choose the desired resolution and drag it directly into your presentation. How about a background? Here we go. Get it from Microsoft Store.